Hey guys, what's going on? Jed Scott here, and I got a cool package I just got in the mail. And I must say, I must apologize first because I started to open it, and I already know what's in it because, well, I bought the things that are in it. But I figured, let's actually sit down and actually film me unboxing all this stuff. And it's all for a special project of mine, so hope you guys enjoy as I turn on the little camera and we get to work on unboxing. Oh, it's blinking? That means we're recording. Cool. Hey guys, here's my hands. Check them out. They're hands. Here we got a box. Inside this box is stuff. Old stuff. It's hot in my garage, so maybe I grab my doohickey. There we go. You gotta have a nice sweat rag. Alright, so first things first, we have a timing chain cover. That's nothing special. That's stock, that's cool. Always good to have an extra one of those laying around. See, what do we got here? We got some styrofoam. That's pretty cool. I like styrofoam. Let me grab the trash can. Everybody needs good styrofoam laying around. Alright, what we got here? We got a piston. That's pretty cool. What we got here? We got a oil pump thing. It's pretty neat. Alright. We got an oil pan. That's pretty cool. And it appears we got a bunch of extra paper. Man, I sure do love me some paper. Lots and lots of paper. Now, I break all the paper in. Teacups. We got teacups. I mean valves. We got valves. More valves. Alright. That's what we got in the box. Alright, so let's be serious now. What we have here are parts from my Hemi. This all came from a good friend of mine up north. The thing in this is a piece from my desk he gave me with the purchase. It's an old race Hemi piston. Appears to be a 12.5 piston, race piston. It almost looks magnesium, but I know it's not magnesium. There you go. Very similar design to what's going in my Hemi, my 12-to-1 pistons. Pretty cool. It's got this checkered pattern on the side, so I'm going to clean that up. That's going to go on my desk. I just wanted to check out some of these valves because he sent me, I think, 18 valves. So I just wanted to see what we got here. Damn. I don't know if these are for a Hemi or not. They look kind of funky to be for a Hemi. The stems seem awfully small. That's a big valve. Holy shit. These might be for a Hemi. I don't know. I have to do some measuring. Alright, that's the end of that one. I don't know. It may have came out of this engine. Oh yeah, he's for Hemi. That fits perfectly. Yeah, go on. Yeah, these fit perfectly in these valve reliefs. These are Hemi. Alright, all you guys watching, keep your fingers crossed. That way we got a full set at least. Let's hope we don't get a bunch of exhaust valves or something. So far we got nothing but exhaust valves. 3 intakes. Oh, come on, baby, give Daddy some intake valves. Oh, let's give him some more exhaust. What do we got? Another exhaust valve. Oh, look at that, we got an intake valve. And another intake valve. Sweet. And another. Alright, I'm happy. Yeah, looks pretty fun, guys. By the way, for everybody who's watching this video on your laptop or phone inside on the air conditioning, I hate you right now. I'm sitting out here in my garage. It's like 90 something, maybe 100 degrees outside, but it's like 20 degrees hotter in my garage. Literally, I was sitting outside and I didn't once get a drop of sweat on me. I'm in here and I'm sweating like a pig. Look at that. We got a bunch of valves. That's pretty neat. Where's my phone at? I gotta take a picture of that. Anybody need some Hemi valves? Bam. Oop, girlfriend texted me. Hang on. Hang on. Alright, I'm back. Alright, yeah, we're recording. Hey guys, how's it going? Still sweating my balls off. Alright, so we got a bunch of valves. We just have to double check these, make sure these are for a Hemi. They are pretty big. I mean, these are. Let's check these two, make sure they're the same. Yeah. I think Hemi is 2 something. 2. I don't even want to guess. I'll be wrong. So the main thing I've always looked for was this really cool oil pan. And I am going to actually cut right here. I'm going to show you this on my good camera. Alright, there we are, guys. I cut from the little camera. What do you think of my tripod? Old speaker, my broken tripod, and my camera. But here's the piece de resistance that was in my package. Wow, I got that right. I didn't fuck that up. So, this is like an amateur class stock car pan. Look at those welds. This thing is old too. That's got some beautiful welds on the sides. I mean, this thing is real. I mean, this thing was on a real race car. I mean, just look at this thing. This is a super cool oil pan. And this is going to go on my Hemi. There's the front of it. And yeah, it's beat to hell. It ain't perfect, but it just tells one hell of a story. It is so cool. And along with that, we got this oil pump cover. And it's got fittings and everything on it. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't know if that's a normal stock style or not. Yeah, that is. That is just wicked cool. Some guy was racing with this stuff. Oh, that was a hell of a good buy. Hell of a good buy. So I guess we're gonna chalk up another like $180 onto the bill. That's everything. Pan, the oil pump piece, 18 valves in that piston, and that 180 bucks pretty much. I wouldn't complain a bit. The next thing I want to show you is, hang on, is this. I bought that off eBay. That is not for my Hemi. That is just something to have. That is a stock dual 4 1966 to 68 Hemi intake manifold that someone has, ta-da, cut the ever-living shit out of it. They've got it all open, man. It is just weird, but cool. I bought it off eBay, and you can get on eBay and see how much I paid for it. Just because it was like that. Modified to fit a single Dominator. That is some crude but cool shit. I love what people do to go faster. So my idea is I'm going to do about the same thing they did with that plate. But instead of trying to fit a Dominator, I'm going to fit my direct connection 6-pack carburetors on there. And I can't tell if that was a bug or bead of sweat rolling down my leg. I think that'll be cool. And it's just going to be one of those things to do just because I can. I don't have a home for these carburetors, and I don't have a need for this intake really. But I think it would just be cool having a 6-pack Hemi intake. I mean, really, you could probably weld this back together and, you know, make it functional again for dual 4s with a pair of carders, but let's be honest, that's no fun. Stock just isn't fun. 6-pack on a Hemi, oh yeah, that would be badass. And if you do not agree with me, then you just go sniff glue or something, because I think that's badass. I think that'd be the coolest thing ever. I think that'd be as cool as an R4 red Charger you built for your dad because you want to see him live his high school dreams. Yeah, I think that's about right. Anyways, guys, that's what I got for you today. Just wanted to show you what I got in the mail. I'm pretty excited. I just think it's some cool stuff. I really dig that kind of thing. So, yeah. All for the dream. All for the dream. Anyways, guys, see the sweat rolling down my face. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Take care. Bye.
$1,000,000 finding the best camshaft, and you go out and buy some big old nasty thing. What my dad would say.
Bye-bye.